Hi there, I'm Eva and I'm here to help you with your English. The best thing you can do for your English is to move to an English-speaking country. So please move to America, England, New Zealand, Australia, Canada, wherever they speak English, and be happy there. You cannot do that? Then it's very important to simulate the English environment. So maybe you can listen to English, but hours and hours, please. Listen to music, watch YouTube, watch English movies, play computer games. Don't have time for that? So maybe you can try an English course. You have tried many times and no special success? Then this is the last chance. Try my course and you will see whether you can manage it or not. This course is for very brave and courageous people, for very diligent and hardworking people. Is that you? That's great, so we can try it together. I use a little bit of prehistoric or kind of prehistoric methods because I use paper. I also use a pen or a pencil. So please, if you work only on the internet and computer or only smartphones, this will be very hard for you. But I believe we can manage it together anyway. Please be ready to write down the vocabulary, write down the translations. It's really very helpful when you're learning English as a second language. It is very useful for beginners to learn from the flashcards. If you cannot find your language on englishwitheva.com, just print the English version and write down your own translation. The same is with the list of vocabulary. Again, there is a list of vocabulary. It's really helpful to have it printed and learn it everywhere you are. And if you cannot find your version, just print the English version and write down your own translation. If you don't have the printer, you can always copy the words from my videos on YouTube because there is always a list of vocabulary. And then if you turn on the subtitles, you can see the translation in your language. Another super tool for learning English is the MP3 player on englishwitheva.com. It's my favorite one. You press the shuffle and the words come in random order. There you can test whether you have managed the vocabulary fast enough, because when you speak, you really need to be fast. Thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel. And don't forget, your success in English is directly proportional to the effort you put into your learning.